Hi friends, it's Miss Horton. You might hear my washing machine. Miss Horton's at home doing some lessons today and the rest of the week. So today we are going to learn about a new math tool. This new math tool looks just like this. It's got little pegs on there. You can see how they stand up. It is a square orange. So this new math tool, so I'm just going to bring this down here so you can see the table. This new math tool is called a GeoBoard. A GeoBoard. I'm going to show you how we use a GeoBoard today. So we have these things. They kind of look like rubber bands, but they're called GeoBands. They come in different colors. This one is green, and this one is tan, but they kind of look like rubber bands. So when I put the GeoBand, one of these GeoBands, on the GeoBoard, I start by putting the band around a peg. Now I will show you how to do this. You're going to start with this. Put your finger down. See how it's stuck on there? Now I'll put one finger on the peg and stretch the band to another peg. So I have it right here. It's on here and I can't pull it back up. So I will stretch to another band. I'm going to go, this one's going to go over here. Just like that. And then I can pull from this side and pull it up. Kind of makes a fun sound too. And it makes a shape. You can see that Miss Horton made a triangle on her GeoBoard. Okay, let's try putting a GeoBand on our boards. So, remember, whenever you get to use one of these when we get back to school, you will start by taking your finger and putting the band over the peg. You're going to put your finger over top the peg so your band can't come up. You stretch it to another band, and then it stays. Then you can play with it. You can make different shapes. You can pull it different ways. Look, Miss Horton made a funky looking shape there. All right. Okay, now, Miss Horton's going to show you a large stretch, okay? So Miss Horton's going to start in this corner again, putting her band. Go all the way over here, making sure that they stay on there. I'm going to pull it all the way up to this very top one up here. Wow, this is a big stretch. Look there. Miss Horton made a square with her GeoBoard and her GeoBand. So you can make large shapes. You can also make small shapes. Miss Horton's going to make a small rectangle. So I started over here, got my finger on there. Miss Horton made a small rectangle. Okay, so when we take off the band, it's really important that you follow these steps too. So first, I will put a finger on one of the pegs. Miss Horton's going to start here. Again, you're going to put your finger here on top of the peg. Now, I will use my other hand to lift the band off. I'm going to lift the band off over here on the opposite side. Just like that. Okay? And then take your GeoBand off the GeoBoard. Now you use your GeoBand to make a new design. All right. So now we are going to make some things. We are going to make, I'm going to make a small triangle. So Miss Horton's going to take her finger. She's going to put it here. I'm going to go to this spot here. Now my band's on there. I'm going to pull it to make a small triangle. Miss Horton made a small triangle. Okay, so today for your worksheets, you have this sheet. And you are going to use a crayon. Now, we never ever use crayons on our GeoBoards. We only use the GeoBands. We'll never use a crayon or a marker or our pencils. But on your worksheet here, it kind of has the GeoBoards just like Miss Horton has. And you can see where we put our geo strands on these geo boards. So you're going to use a green crayon to trace the triangles on the geo boards. So you're going to look at these 4 images and you're going to tell Miss Horton which one's a triangle. And you're going to trace it. Remember, when you say trace, you take your crayon, you'll start on the edge and you'll follow along the lines. You're not coloring it, you are tracing the lines. All right, and you're going to continue to do that with some other shapes. Now remember, there's this tricky. Remember, a square, just like Miss Horton's geo board, all the sides are the same length. A rectangle, 2 sides are the same length. Only 2 sides are the same length. All right. You'll flip it over to the back. And you'll practice writing the 8, 9, and 0. And you're going to come over here and you're going to practice with some pennies. Show me how good you can write your numbers. All right, friends. I hope you have a great day. And remember, this is called a geo board. We use our geo bands to make shapes. All right, friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye.